Sheetal, happy birthday. Thank you very much. And today, thanks to Aki and Russell for giving me a chance કે તારી માટે આટલું કંઈ બોલી શકું જે ઓલવેઝ કહેતો હોઉં છું ને આજે પણ કહું છું કે આઈ એમ સો હેપી ટુ બી વિથ યુ અને યુ રિયલી જસ્ટિફાઈ યોર નેમ શીતલ. અને એક વસ્તુ કહેવી હતી કે તારા વગર હું આજે જે છું એ ના થઈ શકતે. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ ફોર બિંગ વિથ મી થ્રુ આઉટ એન્ડ થેન્ક્સ ફોર યોર પેશન્સ કે આપણે અહીં સુધી આવ્યા અને વી હેડ અ વેરી ગુડ ટાઈમ એન્ડ આઈ વિશ કે આપણે બંને જણા કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી આવી રીતે એકબીજા માટે સારી રીતે રહી શકીએ. એન્ડ થેન્ક્સ અ લોટ ટુ સ્પેશિયલ ટુ આવર પેરેન્ટ્સ કે જે આપણે બંનેને સાથે લાવ્યા. એન્ડ સ્પેશિયલ થેન્ક્સ ટુ મહેતા ફેમિલી એન્ડ ગિયા ફેમિલી એન્ડ યુ ઓલ્સો ટુ બી સો ગુડ ઇન ધ ફેમિલી અને બ્રિંગિંગ અપ આવર કિડ્સ સો વેલ. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ શીતલ. હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. આ ગોલ્ડન જુબલી યર તારું યુ રિયલી ડિઝર્વ ઇટ. યુ ડન ઇટ સો વેલ કે I do, the words are less, I'm speechless. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Chal, bye.
Happy birthday, Mom. I hope you're having a great day. I'm really, really excited for your birthday because you're amazing. You inspired me to become who I am today. You inspired to find my ikigai. You inspired me to do amazing things and become successful. And look where I am. I am successful. And to be fair and to, give reference, I've did my Kumon. You know that, right? Because I love you. I did 20 packets of Kumon. Why? Because I love you and I want to be successful. And why do I want to be successful? Because I want to be. And why do I want to be? Because you helped me become who I want to be. I hope you get what I meant because it's kind of confusing. Very sorry for the confusion. You also inspired me in other ways to explore the life, to explore many other things in what we have in the world. Like, technology, for instance. You inspired me to, explore technology and take the most of it. You also made me feel proud. You also made me feel happy because you always tell me that I'm amazing. Thank you. Thank you for calling me amazing. You're amazing too because I love you. And finally, you also helped me get away from my fears. You told me to, stand up against your fears. And thank you very much. Thank you. I really love that. Except I'm very sorry that I'm scared of lizards, but still, you're scared of snakes, so come on, it's a fair situation. I'm sorry about that. But some other way that you helped me get away from my fear was Miss Julie. You told me to stand up. Well, one time I tried to stand up. I was trying to crumble some paper, I think you know, and she yelled at me, "Russell, what the hell are you doing?" I'm just crumbling my paper, and she's still mad at me. But getting back to my point, you told me to stand up against that and just ignore her. She's annoying me, and it really helped me. Even though I don't have ADHD, even though she said I did, but it's fine. But apart from that, in this 50 years of life, you really helped me. Since I was born, you fed me. You made me feel. You sometimes call me dumb, but because you really love me, you say that to everyone. I'm sorry, but because of you saying bad things to me, you inspired me there. Like saying, I don't know, I don't really know what you say, I've kind of forgot. Like, yeah, Russell, do your homework. Yeah, I do my homework because of that. Or, Russell, dear, come on. And I do my Kumon. And I say, Russell, just do a lot of books, okay? 2 books of Kumon. 2 books! And I do my 2 books of Kumon. Even though, I get mad and I yell at myself sometimes in my brain and get kind of, upset doing 20 books of Kumon. But you encourage me to do good things, even though, you sometimes respond in a unique, different way, a really interesting way, which, I'm fine with. And, being strict to me sometimes, help me become who I am again, Russell Mehta. So, really, in the end, I really want to wish you a happy birthday because you're amazing. And yes, before I end this video, I did play my VR only for 30 minutes, if you just want to know, because I guess you're just concerned in this entire video that, while you're watching this video, I might be watching VR or, doing VR and stuff. So if I'm in my VR room, just know that I'm playing for 30 minutes only. So don't come in my room and say, Russell, stop playing into VR. You already played 30 minutes. So yeah, I hope you understand that. But really, happy birthday, and I hope, even though this global pandemic is hurting you, I hope it really encourage you to be a happy person and, relieve yourself from stress. So really, happy birthday, Mom. You really helped me. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to the most important and treasured woman in my life. My sweet, sweet mother. May happiness forever flow freely through your life, Mom. You're amazing. You've inspired me my whole life. I love you so much. Happy birthday once again. Hope you enjoy your day.
મારા આશીર્વાદ છે તમે સુખી રહો. હેપી બર્થડે ટુ શીતલ.
many happy returns of the day, Bhavi.
આપ હંમેશા ખૂબ ખુશ રહો અને સ્વસ્થ રહો એવી શુભેચ્છાઓ છે. વિશ યુ મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે શીતલ ભાભી. હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. હેપી બર્થડે ડિયર મામી. હેપી બર્થડે ટુ યુ. હેપી બર્થડે ભાભી.
Hope you have fun. Enjoy.
Many happy returns of the day, Mommy.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मम्मी.
सबसे अलग है बहन मेरी, सबसे प्यारी है बहन मेरी. कौन कहता है खुशियों है इस जहां में सब कुछ, मेरे लिए तो सबसे अनमोल है बहन मेरी. हैप्पी बर्थडे शीतल.
Happy birthday, Sital.
गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Happy birthday.
હાય માસી, હેપી બર્થડે. કમ સૂન ટુ ઇન્ડિયા. બહુ જ ટાઈમ થઈ ગયો છે ને હજુ બી તમે ઘરે નથી આવ્યા. જલ્દી જલ્દી આવજો, સાથે સેલિબ્રેટ કરશું. હેપી બર્થડે. સ્ટે સેફ.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता गबलू गबलू खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. कोई लाता गुड़िया मोटर रेस तो कोई लगा फिरती लट्टू कोई चाबी का टट्टू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Sital, wish you many returns of the day. Happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday, Priya. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Stay strong અને જલ્દી આવો હવે તમે બધા જ. Happy birthday.
આજના જન્મદિવસે
अपने आनंदी मन मुबारक.
ખૂટે નહીં કેટલું ધન મુબારક.
तंदुरुस्ती भर्યું તન મુબારક.
આપણે આપનો જન્મદિવસ મુબારક.
હાય માસી. વિશ યુ મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે.
Hi Masi, happy birthday.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू पापा. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू पापा.
Happy birthday to Masi. Happy birthday to you.
Once again, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Hope your all wish comes true.
Happy birthday.
मासी હું તમને બહુ મિસ કરું છું. Meet you. Hug you. I want you to kiss you. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Mwah. Big hug.
Many happy returns of the day, Sheetal, on your 50th birthday.
Happy birthday Sheetal Kaki. Hope you have an amazing day. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Bhabhi. Happy birthday to the most happening and stylish Bahu of our Mehta family.
Have a
Have a great day.
Hello, Sheetal Mami. Many happy returns of the day. Have a great year ahead, and I'm sure you're living your life to the fullest. And please keep doing that. You are awesome and you are amazing. એકવાર આ COVID-19નું સીન પતશે એના પછી we all will meet and we all will celebrate together again. And hope to see you soon. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sheetal Kaki.
Happy birthday, Sheetal.
Happy birthday, Mummy. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Mom. Thank you for keeping the Himmatnagar wala feeling alive. Enjoy and stay healthy.
Happy birthday, Sitalben.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Auntie. How are you? Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Have a good one, huh?
જેના નામમાં જ શીતળતા હોય, સ્વભાવમાં શાંતિ અને લક્ષ્મીની પ્રાપ્તિ. કુદરતનું આપેલ સર્વસ્વ હોય પછી શું જોઈએ, છતાં પણ બર્થડેના આશીષ તો જોઈએ જ ને. હેપી બર્થડે ડિયર શીતલ, જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ બધાઈ હો.
Happy birthday, Sital. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday to our dearest Sheetal Didi.
Happy 50th birthday. We wish you a very happy birthday and lots of love from all of us. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sheetal Didi. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Happy 18th birthday. I would never say you are of 50. તમને 50 years તમે એજથી નથી લાગતા, પણ નો ડાઉટ યુ આર અવર એલ્ડર સિસ્ટર. અને તમે જેવી રીતે તમારું કેરિંગ અને સપોર્ટિવ નેચર છે, અને ટીનાને તમે બેસ્ટ ફ્રેન્ડ જેવા છો, એવા જ હંમેશા રહેજો. નિકુંજિયાજી અને તમે અમારા માટે એકદમ એલ્ડર બ્રધર સિસ્ટર જેવા છો, અને ઓલવેઝ બી એઝ યુ આર. વિશ યુ મેની મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે વન્સ અગેન. એન્જોય યોર બર્થડે, એન્જોય ઈચ એન્ડ એવરી ડે ઓફ લાઈફ.
શીતા દીદી, તમે આગળ જતાં ફરીથી હવે નિકુંજ જીજુની જેમ ધર્મમાં ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ લો, બહુ સારા સારા પ્રવચન સાંભળો, બહુ જ ફાઇન બધું આગળ એ વસ્તુ બી કરો, એવી અમારી ઈચ્છા છે. તો એ પ્લીઝ એ બી ચાલુ કરજો, પ્રવચન ને સ્વાધ્યાય ને એવું બી. થેન્ક યુ. બાય
બાય. હેપી બર્થડે.
હાય શીતલબેન.
હેપી બર્થડે શીતલ દીદી. વિશ યુ મેની મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. હેપી બર્થડે.
મેની મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. Have a super duper 50th birthday.
50th? No, have a 18th happy super duper 18th birthday.
તમે બહુ જ યંગ છો બાય હાર્ટ એન્ડ બાય યોર લુક્સ, એવરીથિંગ. તમારું અટાયર, એવરીથિંગ ઇઝ સુપર. બાય હાર્ટ ઓલ્સો યુ આર ગ્રેટ. બહુ જ તમે બહુ લકી છો. નિકુંજ જીજુ મળ્યા છે તમને. યુ બોથ મેક અ વેરી ગ્રેટ પેર. અને તમે 50 છો પણ 50ના બિલકુલ લાગતા નથી. સખત પ્રિટી છો, અને એકદમ બાય હાર્ટ તો એકદમ યંગ અને નાના છો. એટલે એવા જ રહેજો હંમેશા. વિશિંગ યુ ધ બેસ્ટ ઓફ હેલ્થ એન્ડ વેલ્થ, એવરીથિંગ ફોર યોર 50th બર્થડે.
થેન્ક યુ.
થેન્ક યુ. બાય.
હેપી બર્થડે શીતલ. આજના દિવસે તને આનંદી મન મુબારક હો. ખૂટે નહીં તેટલું ધન મુબારક હો. તંદુરસ્તી ભર્યું તન મુબારક હો. દુઆ છે અમારી, ફૂલોની જેમ મહેકતી રહે જિંદગી તારી. હેપી બર્થડે શીતલ.
Hi Sheetal. Wish you many many happy returns of the day. God bless you, love you, miss you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear Sheetal. Love you, love you, love you.
मैसेज फॉर शीतल दी. तमन्नाओं से भरी हो जिंदगी, ख्वाहिशों से भरा हो हर पल, दामन भी छोटा लगने लगे, इतनी खुशियाँ दे तुम्हें आने वाला कल. हैप्पी बर्थडे शीतल दी.
Happy birthday, Sheetal Di.
Happy birthday Sheetal Ben. May you have a great day ahead and a safe year ahead.
Happy birthday Sheetal Di. Wish you many many happy returns of the day. Have a magical birthday and just spread your magic like always. Love you.
And we are waiting for a big party after the lockdown gets over.
Very soon. Cheers.
Bye.
Hi Sheetal, many many happy returns of the day. Wishing you a great day and a very blessed year ahead. This pandemic times are soon going to be over and we all are going to have a great life. Okay? Enjoy your day and wishing you all the best always. Take care, dear.
Hi Sheetal Ben, wish you a very very happy birthday, happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day and enjoy your life and have fun.
Hi bestie, many many happy returns of the day. Happiest 50th birthday to you. तुम्हारे जन्मदिन पर तुम्हें क्या तोहफा भेजूं? सोना भेजूं या चांदी भेजूं? कोई कीमती पत्थर हो तो बताना. जो खुद कोहिनूर का हीरा हो, उसे क्या हीरा भेजूं? गॉड ब्लेस यू, लव यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Hi Sheetal, wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
After long time, I wish you તારા જીવનમાં ખુશિયા વારંવાર આવે. Wish you all the best things in your life. આપણે સાથે રહ્યા એ આપણો બેસ્ટ ટાઈમ હતો. I hope ફરીથી આવો ચાન્સ મળે. હું તન મન ધનથી તું સમૃદ્ધ રહે એવી મારી હૃદયપૂર્વક શુભકામના. હેપી બર્થડે શીતલ. હેપી બર્થડે શીતલ.
Many happy returns of the day, Sheetal. Bye.
स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धस्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ता रक्षो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु. જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છા શીતલ. તારા પરિવાર અને તમે બધા ખૂબ સુખી થાઓ એવી શુભેચ્છા.
હેલો શીતલ, કેમ છો? ભટજીના મેસેજ દ્વારા મને ખબર પડી કે તમે તમારો 50મો બર્થડે ઉજવી રહ્યા છો 22મી જૂને. ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન. પરમ કૃપાળુ પરમાત્મા તમને અને તમારા પરિવારને દીર્ઘાયુષ્ય અને નિરામય સ્વાસ્થ્ય આપે. વિશ યુ વેરી હેપી બર્થડે. Enjoy your day, enjoy yourself, enjoy your life. Many happy returns of the day. Thank you very much. Take care.
Hi Sheetal Bhabhi, wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. See you soon. Bye.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए. तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू dear Sheetal, happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy 50th birthday Sheetal. Now you have reached a great milestone and I can surely say that you look fabulous at any age. Enjoy the day and have a stunning year ahead. God bless you.
Wish you very happy birthday Sheetal Bhabhi. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Sheetal, happy birthday to you. Wish you very happy birthday. 50th बर्थडे को तेरे लिए बहुत शुभकामनाएं लाए. Enjoy your day. Bye bye. See you.
Dear Sheetal, many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed.
Dear Sheetal Bhabhi, hope you are doing great. I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. Bright as a diamond, shining like a star, living life cheerfully as you always are. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Sheetal, happy birthday dear. Wishing you a very happy 50th and very excitedly waiting for a great party, and soon we'll meet in Kitty and enjoy your day and a great year ahead. Keep enjoying with family and friends and posting beautiful pics and inspiring us. Once again, happy birthday. Take care. Enjoy. Bye.
Happy birthday Sheetal. Many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed and happy always.
Welcome to the golden era, to the 50s. Wish you a very happy golden birthday. I can't believe how the time has flown away. It's been I think good 12 years since we met and became friends. Our family, our outings, we have enjoyed it to the maximum, and I hope it continues forever. Our husbands, our kids, they have enjoyed each other's company, and well, it's just been great. I hope you have a very good, splendid life ahead. Wish you all the best. Love you. Take care. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Bhabhi. Good morning. Jai Jinendra. Wish you a very happy birthday. I know today is the second 22nd June. It has been a great day of celebration for me from since last many years, and it will be continued for many more years. Yes, it is a lockdown birthday, so may this dream period get over as soon as possible. Still, whatever things are available, we are going to celebrate with lots of excitement and fun. I genuinely mean I had not been without you in my life. I cannot explain to you what a human being you are, and such an exciting person who has always brought happiness and positivity in my life. Some words are not expressible to describe you, because the amount of gratitude and the love I have for you is not enough. You walked into my life only to bring positivity and sunshine on this awesome.
Hi Sheetal, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Today is your big day. Have an amazing day. Have fun. God bless you. Enjoy yourself.
The amount of gratitude and the love I have for you is not enough. You walked into my life only to bring positivity and sunshine on this auspicious day and blessed day. I only pray to God to give you everything you deserve, and with lots of happiness. And once again, wish you a very happiest birthday, Bhabhi. And we love you a lot. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. We'll meet soon. Love you so much. Thank you, Bhabhi, and Jai Jinendra.
Hi Sheetal Bhabhi, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hello Sheetal Ben, happy 50th birthday from all of us. Enjoy your special day. We miss you. Bye bye.
Happy birthday Sheetal. Wish you a good health and happiness. Lots of love and good wishes. Love you. Love you Sheetal. This is for you.
Hi Sheetal, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you with lots of love from me and my family.
Hi Bhabhi, wish you a very happy birthday. May this year bring with it all the success and fulfillment your heart desires. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Auntie. I hope you have an amazing year ahead, and honestly, I miss my childhood a lot. Thank you for being an amazing auntie all the time. Love you and wish you great health.
Happy birthday, Bhabhi.
Sheetal Bhabhi, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your days.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Sheetal Bhabhi.
Go.
Happy birthday, Sheetal. On this lovely occasion of yours, I dedicate a beautiful song. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल है मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Sheetal, happy birthday to you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Sheetal, happy birthday to you, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Bhabhi. May your all dreams come true. Have a great day.
golden birthday wish to a golden person. Wish you a many happiness of the day, Sheetal Bhabhi. Take care. Have a wonderful birthday.
Hi Sheetal Bhabhi. Wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Sheetal, happy birthday to my wonderful friend. Age is just for a number for you. You are always pretty fabulous. Have a fantastic birthday. Happy birthday again.
जय जयेंद्र शीतल भाभी। बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तू जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू डियर शीतल भाभी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे भाभी।
Hi,
Hello.
wishing you a many happy returns of the day, Sheetal aunty.
Happy birthday aunty.
હોપ તમારા આગળવાળા આવાવાળા જેટલા પણ વર્ષ છે એટલા બહુ હેપનિંગ રહે.
Stay happy. Stay blessed. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Sheetal. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you and live your life king size. Love you. Happy birthday, Sheetal. God bless you and stay blessed. Love you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे शीतल। लॉकडाउन में होना नहीं है ताश, अपने बर्थडे को मनाना बिंदास। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। एंजॉय योर डे। लव यू।
Hi, Bhabhi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bhabhi.
Have a nice one.
You're my nice friend. You're my awesome friend. I love you so much.
Hi, Sheetal, you're my Jan. Happy birthday.
Hi, Bhabhi. You are my sweetest Bhabhi, and I love you a lot.
We love
We
you.
love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday.
Jai Chinendra Sheetal Bhabhi. Wish you a very happy birthday. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy.
Hi Sheetal Bhabhi, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Once again, happy birthday to you.
Hi Sheetal Bhabhi, many happy returns of the day. Always stay beautiful and gorgeous as you are. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi Sheetal, today is a special day and I'm definitely going to say special things about you. You're a very great friend and I find a very positive energy in you that you spread amongst your friends and your family. Your extra effort that you take in arranging the birthday parties and bringing everyone together will always be remembered. We love you and a very happy birthday to you. तुम जियो हजारों साल और साल के दिन हो 50,000. Stay happy, stay blessed. Have a good day.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, आप जियो हजारों साल है मेरी आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू शीतल जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू शीतल जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hippie! Hippie! Yay! Happy birthday to you, Sheetal Ben.
Happy birthday, Sheetal Ben. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sheetal. Wish you lots of health and happiness and hope you have a great birthday and not get bored with the COVID lockdown.
Happy birthday, Sheetal auntie. We miss your good food. Please enjoy. I think your family is making a lot of efforts. Akki, Nikunj uncle, Russell. Have a good time, everyone.
Akki has acquired all your good organizing skills and she is organizing an excellent birthday for you. All the best and have a great day. Thank you.
शीतल, तुम्हें 50वें जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी बधाई मोदी परिवार की ओर से। एवं ये भावना है मोदी परिवार की कि निकुंज परिवार इसी प्रकार से खुशियां मनाता रहे। मोदी परिवार का पूरा पूरा आशीर्वाद। धन्यवाद।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू शीतल,
हैप्पी बर्थडे
टू यू। सदा खुश रहो, आशीर्वाद हम सबका। मोदी
Oh, wish you very happy birthday शीतल भाभी। Enjoy the birthday। साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल आपको आज के दिन। Oh, wish you very happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you। For you शीतल भाभी। Once again, happy birthday भाभी।
बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू शीतल, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे भाभी। आई मिस यू ऑल भाभी। थैंक्स फॉर योर लव एंड सपोर्ट that you have ever shown to me. I just miss the delicious food that you have made and especially the Thai food that was so unique for me. I always miss those things that you have done for me. Bhaiya, thanks to you too for your support and the guidance that you have given to me. I also miss the rides that we used to take from the office to the home or to the home to the office. That was so amazing and full of knowledge and guidance. And I also thanks to the Russell and the Akiri for supporting me. And I also, one thing we missed bhaiya, that is the karaoke night. Whenever we will reunite or get together, I always feel like that we will do the one thing, that is the karaoke night. Thank you everyone, miss you a lot. Happy birthday once again bhabhi।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी।
विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे शीतल। आप हमेशा ऐसे ही हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो और सालों साल सभी को हंसाते रहो। लव यू।
Hey guys,
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर भाभी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag, zum Geburtstag, zum Geburtstag.
હેલો શીતલબેન, હું પૂર્ણિમા દેગામથી. હેપી 50th બર્થડે ટુ યુ. વિશ યુ મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. થેન્ક યુ.
Happy birthday, Sheetal Ben. Have a wonderful day and a year ahead.
Happy birthday, Sheetal Ben. Many, many happy returns of the day. Enjoy.
Hi Sheetal, how are you? Miss you a lot, and I wish you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. And Aki, thank you so much for thinking of me. And Sheetal, we'll be celebrating together. You and me share the same birthday. Bye.
Hey Mom, why are you getting dressed up? Is there any party today?
Yes, dear. It is Sheetal Auntie's birthday.
But Mom, in this COVID pandemic, will you guys not be able to celebrate together? I'm afraid not.
Oh, yes. I forgot. Now, idea. Let's make a birthday wish.
Okay.
Come on. Hi, Bhabhi. Wish you a very happy birthday. Lots of love on your day. It is your 50th birthday. I cannot believe you have become 50 years old. You are as young and talented as you were on your 30s. I wish I could be there to celebrate with you. Hope this would be your best birthday ever. May God bless you with love, laughter and happiness today and always. Once again, very happy birthday to the most talented and creative person.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Sheetal Bhabhi.
Happy birthday, Sheetal Bhabhi.
Happy birthday, Sheetal. Wish you a wonderful, wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Sheetal. Have a great year ahead. Bye.
Hi Sheetal, happy birthday. May your next half century would be more fabulous than past half century. Many happy returns of the day from all of us. Love you.